Imagine being here, in Turin, Italy. It's summer and there are 35 degrees. You would like to relax and have some fun canoeing with your friends. Well, to make it possible, in July 2022, 300 people had to pick up with bare hands more than 15 tons of Elodea Nuttallii, an invasive alien species that is destroying our environment and endangering the well-being of our fauna in the River Po. But what can we do? First of all, to manage the reoccurring problem, we need to provide our people with more efficient means. That's when our harvesting boat makes its appearance. After a short period of training, our volunteers from the already existing associations will learn how to use the boat and will harvest the wheat 3 to 4 times from June to September. While this happens, we will organize a riverside party to follow the boat, have fun, regain a sense of community and reconnect with nature through citizen science programs. The harvested plant will then be brought to our hub, where we can transform it and study it thanks to the rising open labs of the University of Turin.
We are PuliTO!
Let's give our river Po beauty, navigability and safety for all species, including humans.
Let's spread knowledge and give new useful face skills to the volunteers.
Let's create a sustainable product from normally wasted materials to create human and animals nutrition and biogas or bioplastic products.
Let's let people feel part of the change and raise awareness on the impact we have on our river.
We are committed to research exotic species in order to reduce the impact they are going to have in a changing climate.
Hop on our boat and sail towards a better future.